Drug overdose is the leading cause of accidental death in the U.S. Here in southern Nevada, the number of fentanyl overdoses has doubled in recent years. Tomorrow is International Overdose Awareness Day. As our Heather Mills reports, from government agencies to grassroots organizations, stopping the crisis is top priority.
Not forcing people to choose abstinence, but if they are going to use, there are safer ways to use.
Dr. Crystal Riccio, a professor of pharmacy practice at Roseman University, says the focus is now on harm reduction. That includes fentanyl testing strips and Narcan. Part of the reason for that change, the increased availability of fentanyl. Riccio says it's cheaper to make, easier to transport across the border, and highly addictive.
Fentanyl is about 50 times more potent than heroin.
Because of that, the Nevada legislature passed a bill directing Clark County to create an opioid task force. As experts and leaders look at data and work to identify gaps in service, other grassroots efforts have been ongoing.
We go into schools continuously now throughout the year, educating about the risks associated with some of this drug use, ways to protect yourself, and ways that prevent it from happening.
And it's not just schools.
Yes, we're making sure all team members have Narcan.
The Westgate Hotel handed out Narcan to every employee on Friday.
I definitely think it's important that us in security have access to something like this. That way we can be kind of the first responder, and then we could call the paramedics.
The pop-up distribution was funded by Victoria's Voice Foundation, a nonprofit created by the owners of the Westgate, David and Jackie Siegel, who lost their daughter Victoria to an overdose 9 years ago.
As David puts it, if the first responders had had Narcan when they found Victoria, he said, I wouldn't even be doing this now because she would be alive today.
The foundation supplied 2,000 doses of Narcan to Westgate employees, a $100,000 investment to keep guests and employees safe. Heather Mills, 8 News Now.